Do you want to create your own cartoon characters and animate it like a pro? In this video, I will show you how to rig a character, how to design a character in Moho using just a free character image. Okay, if you love animation, make sure you like and subscribe and watch this video to the end. I drop new tutorials every week to help you level up fast. Okay, so this video is basically for me to show you the character I just designed. This is the side view and I make the character to work. Okay, it's very easy. With few settings and actions you can make your character to work. So I'm going to walk you through the 5 views I designed for this my character. You know that we have side view. Okay, so we have side view which I've already rigged the bone. You can move this character anyhow you want. You can do head scale, like make the head to do squash and stretch. Okay, you can also make the body to do squash and stretch. You can have added hand movement. So I've already designed this character and it is ready for animation. It can talk, it can perform any kind of animation. So I also add the walk cycle. That means this character can walk. Okay, I've added the walk cycle to make the character to walk. So even if you need this character, if you want to get this character, you can just join my animation class or join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. Once you contact me on WhatsApp, I will send this file to you. Even if you want me to create any kind of character for you, I can create it for you. I can also rig it and make it ready for animation. You see that this character can walk. I added a walking cycle to this character. I add a walk animation to this character. I also add a run animation. This character can also run. You see that the character is running, so you can do a lot of things. So let's go over to the next view. So guys, if you want me to create characters for you, cartoon characters, if you want me to create characters for you, so reach out to me. I'll design any kind of character you want in front view, side view, back view, and animate it, like rig the bone for you. So once you join my WhatsApp channel, then reach out to me. I'll design the character for you easily. Within a week, you have the character ready. Move to the front view. So this is the front view. I designed this front view. You can make it, I can make it to walk, I can make it to run, I can make it to talk. You see, it has head turn. The head can turn to the side view. I also added basic hand movement, and if you want, this character can walk. So now the character is already walking. You can see. Okay, let me play the video. You see that the character is walking. You see. So if you want to learn how to create cartoon videos on your laptop, and laptop is more easy when it comes to animation compared to flipper clip, because flipper clip is frame by frame, but this Moho now is boning. Once you bone your character, you can do anything with that character and it's much easy to me. You see that you can even move the hand individually the way you want. You can bend the body, bend the leg. Everything has already been rigged. So if you want to get the character, or if you want me to design character for you, just reach out to me. Join my WhatsApp channel first, then from there you will contact me. Then if you want me to design character for you, you let me know. If you want me to teach you how to design characters, we also do animation class for you. So we added up to 5 views. You know that when it comes to animation, you need to add different views so that the character can be switching, from this view to this view. So this is the back view. I added everything. It can also work in back view. So many things I added to this character. Please, if you are watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm dropping animation tutorials every week. And if there's any topic you want me to teach, just drop it in the comment section and I will teach that topic for you. Okay, the goal of this channel is to teach you how to animate. I want all my viewers to, I want them to learn animation, and it will be very easy for you to animate. Okay, so I added all the 5 views to this character. Very easy. Okay, and this back view can also work. Okay, so if you want to get this software on your phone, just join my animation class. Use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then from there you will contact me. I will send this software to you. It is a free software. You are not paying for it. It is free. Okay, So you can reach out to me and I'll send this software for you so that you can start creating your own cartoon videos, or if you want me to create for you, I can do that for you. I can create characters for you. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today about animating your own cartoon characters. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my weekly animation tutorials. If you want me to teach any topic, drop it in the comment section. I will take a new video on that topic. And if you are ready to go deeper, join my animation class and learn how to create full cartoon videos with just your phone or laptop, and even how to make money from your content. The link are in the description of this video. Keep creating and I will see you on my next video. Bye.